Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 90,000 subscribers. Yeah! Welcome to our FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Polokwane City 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I'm joined by my brother Libitso Kemangotsoko guy.
Prestivo, can 4+1.
Yes.
All is under one.
Yes. King Flopper Sundowns.
Call ambulance. I'm not happy about this. They play how they play today.
Yes.
We didn't have even one shot on target.
0.
What is that?
0.
And the slogan of Mamelodi Sundowns is the tiki taka.
Shusha
Sabashaya.
Yeah.
Maroko Manqoba Mngqithi. What's this?
Wenzani?
Ha, lento ayenza. I see on lento ayenza.
Yes.
Umudiba uphi?
Where is Mudiba?
Umuda.
Where is Khuriso Mudawu?
How about this guy, Peter Shalulini? All 3 minutes, he get to put Peter Shalulini in. And that really, they call who?
At sales.
Sales. That one is useless. He must go to Skomota FC. He must go to Skomota FC.
At sale must go to Skomota FC.
Yeah, Skomota FC.
Kiman Skomota FC. Kiman Skomota FC.
You know Skomota FC. Skomota FC.
Yes.
I'm going to beat them 5 on Saturday.
Oh, at sales must go to Kaiser Chiefs.
Yeah. Yes. They on El Bokisilaba Makufi Cup.
Yes.
They must go. Only the 2 we are going to bury them with that Makufi Cup.
Yes. Yes.
What a yellow rabachara local camera shady rapi. Yeah, I grew up in super sports events. I want fair. Yeah. Come on, Mungarash. Pilo dia baba, pilo. I'm happy.
Man of the match.
My man of the match, obvious. There is number 2, Tawang Matulubi.
Yes.
He deserves better. He must go through Mamelodi Sundowns. We want him. We must sign that Matulubi.
Thank you, member. Awe.